guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Swetha. I have a new video for you guys and it's a very different video from my usual videos. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. As you can see, I'm making some changes to my room, and thank you for the subscribers who noticed the background change. Thank you so much because it took a lot of effort. And yeah, so I've been organizing my makeup and skincare products, and as you can see, I have a lot of stuff here in this shelf which I use, which are a lot of skincare, and I have some makeup here. But then yeah, I have another set of makeup which is stored in boxes which I don't really see every day, so I don't really use it. And I have a lot of stuff which are to be thrown out because, you know, expired, and I have a lot of stuff that I didn't use yet. And yeah, so I thought that I'll organize it and declutter my makeup, and I'm gonna throw some away and I'm gonna give away some of the products. It's not a giveaway, by the way, because I cannot give you guys things that I used and tried. Whatever I give you guys during the giveaway are new products. These things are the things that I've tried at least once, so I cannot give those products to you guys. So I usually give them away to my friends or family, or I'll just throw it away. So I have this habit of buying a lot of products when I see new makeup, but then a lot of things I don't really use. It's just that initial excitement that I have. After that I'll forget to use it. So yeah, I have a lot of organizing to do. So I thought that I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with my makeup, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so these are the stuff that I talked about. I don't really use anything in these boxes. This is the only makeup that I use daily. This is the only makeup that I carry. So these are the things that I need every day. So let's just see if there is anything for me to throw out. This is my Lakme 9 to 5 primer. I need that. And then the bronzer from Bharat & Dollars, and some, you know, concealer, lipstick, and highlighter, mascara. And then I have two brushes which are the most needed brushes. This is a contour brush for blush brush, and this is an eyeshadow brush. And I have eyeliner and a couple of random things. I have lipsticks again, concealer, eyebrow pencil, kajal, and I have the eyelash glue. This basic Freedom palette that I always carry. It has the neutrals and, you know, bronze colors which I love. So yeah, and then I have again random things, tweezers, hair tie. We are pretty much done with this. So I need all of these things which I use daily, so I'm not going to throw anything out from that. So let's move on to this one. This is actually full of lipsticks if I'm not wrong, and I don't really use any of it, to be honest. I don't really use any of it. So this is Lakme Enrich. See, I've never used it. It's actually new. Keep this away for giveaway. That is for my family or friends. So any of you guys need this, just let me know. I'm gonna keep this away for that. And this is another lipstick which is almost over. So yeah, this is a concealer which I never used, but it's concealer, so it might be expired for sure. So I'm gonna throw this away. Yeah. And this is another concealer that I bought online, if I'm not wrong, and it's yellow in color, so I can't really use it. I've never used it, and I'm sure that none of my friends or family can use it. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this away as well. So next, this is a Makeup Revolution concealer, which also I never use. I don't know why. I'm gonna give this away to any of my friends or family, so I'm gonna keep this here. And yeah, this is another lipstick, Miss Claire lipstick, which I didn't use at all. It's like pretty new, pretty violet color, so I'm just gonna give this away. And this is a gloss. I think my sister got it from Dubai, I guess, if I'm not wrong. But then I never use this, so it's like a dark brown color, so it doesn't suit my skin tone. I'm just gonna give this away to somebody who's really fair, so that it'll look really good. And this is an ELF Luscious Liquid Lipstick. So it has two sides, in which one side is, oh, this is really nice. Okay, I kind of understand why I don't use all these, because it's all glossy. I don't like glosses, to be honest. I like lipsticks, creamy lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, not glosses. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna give this away. This is a Maybelline concealer, which I never use because it's really light for me. I can't really give this away to anybody, because you know, concealer, foundation and all, especially these kind of concealer which you apply directly onto your face, it's not hygienic to give this to anybody else. So I'm just gonna throw this away. Moving on, I have this lipstick from Color Show, so I'm just gonna give this away. And this is a lipstick or lip gloss, if I'm not wrong. No, it's a lip stain. It's that you know, lip glosses that you apply and then you peel it off. That kind of thing, which gives you a stain on your lips. That thing. I'm just gonna give this away. And this is another Color Bar lipstick, and it's over. Why am I don't know. I'm just gonna throw this away. And this is another Lakme and Riche satin lipstick. It's again new, pretty new. Can't really use it. So I'm just gonna give this away. And this is a lip balm. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw this away. And this is a lipstick from Lotus. It's a Lotus lipstick, and I am pretty sure it's expired, so I'm just gonna throw this away. This is another lipstick from ELF. I'm just gonna throw this away. And I have this lip balm, which I didn't use it at all, but that this is expired. And I have more glosses like that, which I showed before, so I'm just gonna give this away. And what is this? This is, oh, it's a mascara. Oh, okay. I've never used it. I don't know why. It looks pretty good. But yeah, mascaras you cannot use more than 6 months. So I'm gonna. This is another Maybelline lipstick, and it's all spoiled. So I'm gonna throw this away. And this is another gloss from the same category. This is another lipstick. Gloss. I'm not sure. Fashion Color Waterproof Color Stay 2-in-1. This has one side is gloss and one side is matte. Just gonna give this away. This is a lip pencil. I never use lip pencils. I'm very lazy to use a lip pencil, so I've never used this. So I'm gonna give this away. This is again a lip gloss, which this is again a lip paint that I got from China. I use. It's too complicated for me. Lip paints, lip stains, lip gloss. These kind of stuff I don't really use. It's just that initial excitement, and then I'll get tired of it. And this is another. What is this? It's a lip. It's a lip stain. Yeah, it's like a sketch pen. It's so complicated for me. I cannot use a sketch pen on my lips. No. So I'm just gonna give this away. This is another long-lasting, what is this? 24 hours lip hop. I've never used it. It's new. It's a very pretty color. But then I think it's too light for me. Maybe that's why I didn't use it. But yeah, it's new. So yeah, let's see. I'll just give this away. Moving on, we are done with this box, and this is again another lip pencil which I don't really use. So, and this is a Kiss Beauty contour palette. I think I used this once in my lifetime. I used this. After that I didn't. However, that I'm gonna keep it here. So this is LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and it's all shimmery colors. I don't really use it. I'm just gonna give this away. And this is a Miss Claire blusher. Just gonna keep this because I love this color. I don't really see it, that's why I don't use it. And this is oh my god, I used to love this bronzer. It's a very pretty shimmery color. See, it's very pigmented. I'm just gonna keep this. This is another bronzer. It's a very pretty bronzer. I don't know why I don't use this. I'll just give this away. This is Body Shop concealer which I bought long back, and it's very light for me. It's really light for me. I can't even use this to highlight my face, but I think this one pencil was 1500 or something. It's very expensive. That's why I didn't feel like throwing it away. I'm just gonna give this to somebody who can use this. And yeah, this is a Lakme compact. I'm gonna throw this away because no use. So this is another expensive concealer that I bought online. This is Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Concealer. It's very fancy and shit. As you can see, it's very fancy and it's very nice. It's a very nice product. But then the thing is, this color is too light for me. I cannot use it whatsoever. It's very light. See, it's very light for me. I cannot use it, and I don't think that I can give it to anybody because it has the applicator like this which you apply directly onto your face, so it's not hygienic to give it to anybody. So I'm just gonna throw this away with a heavy heart because this was really expensive. I still remember, you know, thinking if I should buy or not, but then I bought it anyways. And yeah, this is a very pretty eyeshadow from Hikari Cosmetics. I'm gonna keep this because I love this color. And this is a loose powder from Stars Cosmetics. I'm just gonna give this away to somebody. What is this? This is a blusher. Yeah, blusher and a highlighter, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is a very pretty coral color blusher plus highlighter. I'm just gonna give this away. And this is another Maybelline lipstick that I use. It's a very bright orange color. Should I throw this away, or yeah, I'll just throw this away. This is another eyeshadow color essence, if I'm not wrong. I'm just gonna throw this away. This one eye primer which I never used. It's, yeah, I'll just give this away, I guess. This is a Sea Soul eyeshadow palette again. So I'm just gonna give this away. And this is LA Colors. Oh, this is a very pretty brick color, but then it broke, so I have to throw this away. So LA Colors, bye bye. And this is another makeup that I got and I've never used it. It's I think it's a concealer and it can also be used as a foundation. It's from Essence Soft Touch Mousse Makeup. And yeah, I didn't even open it, it's sealed, so I'm just gonna give this away. So yeah, from this big box I have just 2 products left for me, and I'm just gonna give all those away. In this box I have palettes, if I'm not wrong. This is my Makeup Revolution 144 colors eyeshadow palette, and I love this palette. I don't really use it on a daily basis, but I use it whenever I do tutorials, and I love this palette, so I'm gonna keep this. It has a lot of nude colors and colorful colors. This is my Naked 2 Urban Decay palette. I'm gonna keep this also. So yeah, we are pretty much done, you guys. So after throwing all that away, I found out that I have more makeup in this box. So I'm just gonna quickly you know, throw away the stuff that I don't use anymore. Shampoo lipstick, it's over, throw away. Nykaa lipstick, it's really good, I'm gonna keep it. Maybelline concealer, expired. Color Bar lipstick, over. Maybelline lipstick, over. This is a serum from Thalgo, it's really good, I'm gonna keep this. Color Bar, it's almost over, but I love this color, so I'm gonna keep this. Nykaa lipstick, which is really bright red, and I love this, so I'm gonna keep this. Miss Claire, I think is it over? I have no idea, but I think it's expired, so throw it away. And this is Color Bar, it's almost over, it's not over, it's a very pretty color, but I'm not going to use this, so throw it away. This is a very old gloss, I'm going to throw this away. This is another Color Bar lipstick which is pretty new and I've never used it, so I'm just going to give this away. This is a lip pencil, I don't use it, give away. This is, what is this? It's a pack. Oh, it's pack kajal. I love this, so I'm gonna keep this. It's a lip pencil. I don't use it. Give away. Throw this away. This is a white eye pencil. I'm gonna keep this. Old brush. I'm gonna throw this away. And this is again a lip pencil. Give away. This is an old pencil. Throw away. And this is Sugar Cosmetics lipstick. It's pretty new and it's a very pretty color. I don't use it, but I'm gonna keep this because it's a very pretty color. I have to use it somehow. This is another lipstick from Chambord. It's over. Throw this away. And moving on, I have this blush from Miss Chick, and it's a very pretty coral color. It's very pigmented, so I'm just gonna keep this or throw away. I'm not sure. I think I'll just give this away. And this is Miss Claire blusher, again a very pretty color, so I think I'll keep this. And this is another lipstick from Nykaa. It's a very nude color lipstick, brown lipstick. I think I'll give this away. Chambord liquid lipstick, which is a really pretty red color. This should be my favorite red lipstick. It's 431 in shade, but it's over, so I'm gonna throw this away. And this is LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's a very, I love this concealer so much. This is really good, but I think it's over, so I'm just gonna throw this away. And this is another LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is a new one. It's not over for sure, so I'm gonna keep this. And then I have another blusher from Miss Chick, and it's a very pretty, oh my god, it's really pretty. Oh, I'll just keep this, I guess. I'll keep this. And then I have this Color Essence bronzer, which is also very pigmented and pretty. I'm gonna give this away. And I have Makeup Revolution red color lipstick, which I don't use, but it's really good, so I'm gonna give this away. And this is a mascara. I'll throw this away because it's old. And I have this L'Oreal blush, which I always loved, but then I don't see it, that's why I don't use it, I guess. Let's just keep this anyways. So, and then I have a couple of nail polish. I'll give this away. Yeah, this is an eyeliner, and I think I'll just throw this away because I'm sure it's expired. And then I have Color Bar lipstick again, really good. I'll just keep this. And then I have Maybelline blusher again with a very pretty peach color. I think it will be really good for fair people. I'll just give this away. This LA Pro concealer, I bought this for contouring. It's really good for contouring because it's a really dark color, but then yeah, I am keeping this because I need this for the tutorials. This e.l.f. liquid highlighter, I love this product, it's so good, but then I'm sure it's expired, so I'm just gonna throw this away. These are the extra things that I'm gonna give away, so I'll just put these are the stuff that I'm gonna keep. So I'm just gonna open the giveaway box and add these stuff, which are the stuff for giveaway. Hi, who is this? Say hi, show your face, okay, you can sit there, but don't touch anything, okay? So these are things that I'm gonna give away. So yeah, this is the box for the giveaway, and again I'm saying this giveaway is for my friends and family because I've used and tried all these stuff, and these are the things that I'm gonna throw. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll be posting videos every Monday. I'll see you guys next Monday. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.